dried up like earth without rain in the heat. And you look with those eyes downcast and sad, so
Hey legends, just went and caught some beautiful abs, so I'm going to show you how to make a nice pasta with them. Got a fire going, so go down and clean them up. Alright, so these are our ingredients for the ab pasta. We've got some parsley, some lemon, some garlic, ginger, an onion, some chilies, nice shaved parmesan, some Tassie sea salt, some black pepper, and some nice spaghetti. Usually you could cook this in a pot, but we forgot the pot.
We don't have a pot today.
So we've got all our chopped up onions, garlic, ginger and chili. Go in with the onions first. Make sure you got nice big coals to cook on, otherwise it'll be too hot cooking on top of flames. Actually, we'll just chuck all this in at the same time. Plenty of olive oil in there as well. Incredible flavours and smells. Big pinch of salt. Get out of it. Kitchen hand's always trying to eat your bloody food around here.
Cheeky little doggy.
A heap of pepper.
How long do you let that cook for?
Just until the onion and garlic are nice and soft or brown. Not too long. Oop. So when your onions and everything, onions, garlic, ginger and chili start to look like that, it's time to go in with the old abalone. The ab juice is extra good too, I want to add that in. Abs don't need too much cooking, just enough to heat through. Want to get your lemon. 2 whole lemons is pretty good. Usually I'd try and strain it and get the seeds out, but we're camping. Anybody got time for that?
Nobody's got time for that.
Once you got your lemons in with your parsley. Don't need to save any for the top or anything, just throw it all in. Once you only need the lemon juice and the parsley in for a second, then you can add your already cooked pasta back in. Might not be game to give it a flick this time.
I was like, gonna do it.